What I wish I knew about cooking at 10 instead of 20. You can learn it all right here. Are you ready to spice up your cooking game? Subscribe now and join our foodie family. Every day we drop mouth-watering recipes that are easy, elegant, and oh so delicious. Hit that like button if you love food. Comment below with your favorite dish. We want to hear from you, and don't forget to share the love with your friends and family. Ring that notification bell so you never miss a tasty tutorial. Thanks for joining us at the Culinary Recipe Creations channel. Stay with us, sit back, and be amazed. Your one-stop recipe channel is here to entertain and inspire you with the most delicious recipes on earth. Enjoy our videos and happy cooking.
Exposing the secret to perfect bruschetta. Ever wondered what makes this Italian appetizer so irresistible? Stick around to find out. First, grab some fresh crusty bread and toast it until it's golden brown and crispy. Now, take those ripe tomatoes, chop them up, and mix them with fragrant basil and minced garlic. Drizzle in some rich extra virgin olive oil and give it a good stir. Next, rub a clove of garlic over your toasted bread. Trust me, it's a game changer. Spoon that vibrant tomato mixture on top. Add a pinch of salt and pepper, and you're done. This simple yet flavorful dish is perfect for any occasion, whether it's a fancy dinner party or a casual snack. Pair it with your favorite Italian wine, and you're in for a treat. So why not give it a try? Buon appetito! Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tasty recipes. Share your bruschetta creations below. We'd love to see them. Grazie mille.
Why are there more and more people talking about culinary recipe creations? Because experimenting in the kitchen is deliciously fun. That's why. Join us for delectable foodie tutorials that will transform your cooking game. From savory starters to decadent desserts, we've got you covered. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest mouth-watering creations. Love what you see? Drop us a like, leave a comment, and share our videos with your fellow food enthusiasts. Your support helps us bring you even more scrumptious content. So sit back, relax, and let us handle the cooking entertainment. Stay tuned in because it's cooking time. Welcome to Culinary Recipe Creations, your new favorite kitchen corner. Let's create something delicious together.